Is this food?
Check in the fridge. Because she made rice for us too. Wait, that was so much illegal.
Wait, it's recording. Oh.
I wouldn't, but
Just use it in a bowl. Chicken that I took from my grandma's fridge because she's an actual freaking angel. Okay, I'm cantaloupe.
Oh my gosh, I can't smell it. That is mine.
No one wants Yakult? Yakult? Dude, every single time I turn away from the fridge, you see the biggest smile. That's what I see inside the fridge. I got that on video, by the way. You know what I told him? I told him there's fresh rice. Holy. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know that video? Do you ever see that video? Where he's like, he opens things like this, and then he's like,
Yeah, give me that. Yeah, cold though.
soup time.